Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the fear and greed indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched our first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. At the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below. You can also find a link to sign up for TradingView down below. If you use the link below, you will save a little bit of money. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform. On our Discord server, we are having great conversations about all things regarding trading. One of the biggest struggles on this channel is people who use other platforms like MT4 being able to follow along. Sometimes it can be hard to find the indicators we are using on other platforms. And so on our Discord server, I have created a channel for indicator creation. And on that channel, I pinned links to freelancers who can code indicators for MT or for TradingView. So if you don't want to create a TradingView account, you can hire a freelancer for a really small fee and have them code an indicator for the MT platform. Or if you are on TradingView and need an indicator created, something unique or an indicator for a system you have developed, you can also have them code PineScript. So use the link for either MT4 coding or use the link for PineScript. Lastly, I get a lot of people that are asking me for the entire list of all the winning indicators that we have tested to date. And whereas I am not a big proponent of gatekeeping information, I've put a lot of time and effort into creating the content on my YouTube channel. And so I don't think it is too much to ask for the viewers to go through and view the content that I've spent a lot of time creating. Now, if you are not interested in supporting our channel by going back and watching the content that I have created, then I have developed a solution for you. I've created a Patreon account. I will put a link to it down below in the description. If you sign up for Patreon and you sign up for the $9 a month account, I will send you the full list of tested and winning indicators to date. I will also send you an updated list of the indicators that we are testing at the end of each week. Now, of course, you have to stay subscribed to the $9 subscription, monthly subscription, to continue to receive the updated list of indicators. But that way it will provide me with the support that I need to continue to provide the free content that I am putting out for everybody to view. Now, if you just love the channel in general and want to support us, then there is also a lower, I think $3 Patreon subscription that you can sign up for that will also help support the channel and keep things going so that way I can continue to produce the content and the open information that we are creating here in this channel and in our Discord server. Again, if you have not signed up for our Discord, then you need to do that as well. It is a absolutely free platform where we have real-time ability to chat and have conversations about trading. And again, if you want to support the channel with Patreon, then you can find the link down below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing the fear and greed indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 126 indicators, and out of those 126 indicators, 51 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 51 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, as I said, today's indicator is the fear and greed indicator. There's not a whole lot to it. You can see it down here below the price action on its own little panel here. It is in histogram form. It has a zero line cross basically, and so it's a zero line cross indicator. This is an indicator that was created by a TradingView member, so a TradingView member created indicator. Of course, you can find a link to it down below in the description. And one thing this indicator has done is it has changed the color of the candles here, and I find that somewhat distracting, and so I'm going to go in and I'm going to make a few changes here to the indicator just so that way it's a little bit more pleasing to myself. Of course, this is 100% up to you how you do this. All right, let's see. I'm also going to change this to a line like so. And then what I'm going to do, let's see if this works here. I don't see why it shouldn't. Seems to be a little strange though. Once I turned it to a line, it didn't quite work out quite the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play around with this a little bit. I see what it's doing there. Interesting. Okay, so we will keep it on a histogram at the moment. Sometimes it just works better that way. Let's go ahead and put a zero line on here. Let's change it to black. Zero that out. Okay, that should help us see a little bit clearer when the histogram makes its changes. And so yes, basically we have a zero line cross when the green histogram breaks up above here and turns to the top side, that is a signal to go long. When it breaks down below in red, that is a signal to go short. And so yeah, that's pretty much how we're going to be testing it. Zero line cross, pretty simple setup there. All right, there's our take profit and stop. I forgot to put those in place. All right, let's get on with the testing here. See what we can get out of this indicator. Let's see. So we get our first cross right here. It's a short signal, and unfortunately, almost immediately gets stopped out as the histogram pops back up to the upside for a long signal. Happens right here on this one, and has not yet given us take profit, so let's play it out. And that one takes a loss as well because it never makes it there. Those are short here on us. And that one is also a losing trade, then gives us a long signal here before giving us a short signal right there. Has not made it to the 50 pips yet. Let's play it out, see what it does. Let's double check here. So it gives us the signal right there. Looks like maybe right there on that one we picked up, barely getting to take profit. Alright, it switches to a long signal right there. Still riding it out. There we go. Finally got a decent call out of this. So that one definitely got us to take profit. Throws a short on us right there. Let's play it out. So short here. I mean, it never does get us to take profit before it ends up throwing a long signal right here. That pretty quickly turns to a short, getting us stopped out. That then turns to a long here before going short, stopping us out once again. It's not looking too great. Then we get another short right there. Never gets us to take profit. Then we get a long, and boo, we see a massive gap up there. So that one would have gotten us to take profit. Moving along here, there we get a short right there for just a moment. Then it gives us a long. See what it does. Nope, unfortunately that one also gets stopped out. Gives us a short here. Play it out a little bit more. Doesn't look like it's wanting to go down any farther, so let's measure it out real quick. Here to there. Yep, that barely got us to take profit. Still short. Plugging along here. See if it throws a long. There it does right there. That one looks like it might have gotten us. Yep. Very close, but it did. And it drops to a short here. But then almost immediately turns around and goes long, which turns out to be a decent run, getting us to take profit on that one. Runs for a minute, starting to stall out up here. Gave us a short right there. Let's see if these big candles got us to 50. They did, just barely. Just barely got it there. Oh, it shoots up and out of there though. Let's see. Get a long signal right there. Play it forward just a little bit. Yep. So that one worked out for us. That's a big heavy move it made right there. So looks like it's starting to stall out and lose some momentum. And it did. Drops to the downside pretty hard. Got us to take profit on that one. Now it's just kind of waffling here for a second. Can't really figure out where it wants to go. Picked up a long signal there along the way. Did get us to take profit though. So it's looking a little bit better than it did to start out with. It's on a short now, then got stopped out. Threw a short there, then immediately came back down for, see, threw a long, came back down for a short, and then immediately turned around and threw a long. And let's see, that one did good there, getting us to take profit. There's a short there. Just kind of stalled out for the moment, bouncing around. Let's see if it can push down. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Ends up getting stopped out. And gives us a long right there. Does look like that one got to take profit. Let's see. Yep, it did. So we got to take profit on that one. Threw a short signal for just a moment. Then went long. See what it does. That one turned out pretty decent. There's a short there. Yep, so that was a short here. But then shortly after, it gave a long signal here. And then shortly after, turned around to go short, stopping us out on that one. Same deal. Went short there. Moments later, threw a long signal. And looks like it's going to do it again. So stopped us out when it threw this short here. And looks like it's probably going to turn around. Yep. Stop us out almost immediately again. Throwing a long. And then throwing a short. This thing just gets eaten to pieces in a ranging market. It just takes loss after loss after loss. We're getting close to the end of the year now. Not much more to it. Let's see if maybe we can squeeze out another win. I don't know. Seems to be getting hammered pretty hard. It just cannot make up its mind. Let's see. Yep, that's the end of the year there. Didn't squeeze in another one. Alright, so there we have it. A bit of an overtrader. Throwing signals every which way. Let's count them out here and see what we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. 42 signals altogether. Definitely an overtrader. We know what that leads to. Let's count out the wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So definitely not going to get us to the 60% marker. It's funny that we see this almost consistently with every time we get an over trading indicator, is that it almost never meets the criteria. Yeah, this thing was just throwing signals every which way. Just not the best of signals either. And so, unfortunately, like I said, this one's not going to make the cut. It's going to go on the no list. And yeah, we'll move on to the next indicator from here.
If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the